Hello friends, in this tutorial I will guide you on how to fix WhatsApp status love or like button doesn't show up. As you can see, let me show you. Here is the love button which has shown, which is in the top left, just in the bottom, just there down below on the right side on the corner. You can see the love button which shows, but to some people it doesn't show up. As you can see, to some of the people it doesn't show up. Some people it doesn't show up. Maybe you just check it. As you can see, some people it doesn't show up. So I'm going to show you on how to fix and get the love button which shows there on the status. So to fix this issue, the first step, you need to update your WhatsApp app. So make sure you are running the latest version of WhatsApp Messenger, which has been updated directly from the Play Store. If you have already updated, which the last update was September 25, then just come here on open WhatsApp and then go to the WhatsApp official channel. So after going to the WhatsApp official channel, then you can see they have posted this on Thursday as an update that share the love on their status, just like that. So this is the new feature. So I need you to open this website link here. Just open to learn more. So I'll open it and just wait a few minutes. As you can see, this is have been posted on the WhatsApp blog, which show that share the love on WhatsApp status. So just read it here. These features are now starting to roll out. These features are now starting to roll out and will be available globally to users soon. So this feature is still rolled out and it will be available to all users soon. So if you don't see the love button on your WhatsApp status, then probably this feature hasn't arrived yet on your smartphone. So maybe just wait and it will be available globally to users. So just wait and it will be available. But if you haven't updated your WhatsApp, also try to update it. If you don't see it, then this feature will be available globally to all users. So just wait a little bit and also follow the WhatsApp channel, or just look for new updates on the WhatsApp channel, and this feature will be rolled out globally. So thanks so much for watching and see you next time.